Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to see the live status of all hardware sensors present in iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the App Store and now just search for all sensors. Now see here all sensors application, just tap on it. Now click on get to download and install it. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permission. Just click on this accept all. Now click on this show all. Click on got it. So now you can see here all the sensors, live data. As you can see, different sensors. So you can see here, and below there is a augmented reality. You can check it too. And below there is a logger, and you can see below the motions and activities, everything. As you can see here, all the sensors. Right now you can see it's the live data. So you can see here everything: magnetometer, device motions, speedometer, altimeter. So you can see all the sensors present on your respective iPhone or iPad devices. So you can see here everything regarding the connectivity also. And below you will see more options like system. So you can check about your system details. Next is environment. So you can see the environment regarding the parameter, proximity sensors, screen brightness, tons of options. And next is diagnostics. And even you can run all tests to check whether all the hardware sensors are working perfectly or not. And next to it is some more option. So under the more, you can check about the health and the logger options. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily see the live data of all hardware sensors present in iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.